Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a easy basic mandala art for beginners. The mandala art on FIFA World Cup. This is very interesting. Hope you will enjoy it and please watch my full video. Learn how to draw a mandala in this drawing lesson. I will show you how I constructed the FIFA World Cup Trophy mandala art. You should know what is mandala. A mandala is a complex abstract design that is usually circular in form. In fact, mandala is a Sanskrit word that means circle. Mandalas generally have one identifiable center point from which emanates an array of symbols, shapes, and forms. Mandalas can contain both geometric and organic forms. They can also contain recognizable images that carry meaning for the person who is creating it. In essence, mandalas represent the connection between our inner worlds and outer reality. Designing your own mandalas can be both inspirational and therapeutic. When you create your own mandala, think of it as an echo of your soul. Drawing and coloring a mandala can be a highly enriching personal experience in which you look inside yourself and find the shapes, colors, and patterns to represent anything from your current state of mind to your most deeply desired wish for yourself, for a loved one, or for humanity. You can design a mandala to symbolize a state of mind that you would like to achieve. Mandalas are great tools for meditation and increasing self-awareness. Many different cultures around the world use mandalas in their spiritual practices. The best thing about designing your own mandalas is that you have the freedom to choose whatever shapes and colors that you feel express your sense of self and your view of reality. Your mandala is yours and you have the freedom to use your creativity to create a mandala drawing that is uniquely you. Once you know the basic shapes of how to draw a mandala, you can try now new designs and new colors each time you draw a new mandala. Here my creativity on FIFA World Cup Trophy. And thank you for watching my video and please watch this video till the end. Hope you'll enjoy it.
you.